In this video I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas on PC. So first go and open up your browser and simply search for GTA San Andreas. Then here click on the official link from Rockstar Games, so it's the first one. Then here go and click on buy now. Now choose PC right here, then click buy now. So as you can see it's €59.99. Now here if you don't have an account yet, just go and click create a new account. If you already have one, sign into your Rockstar account. Then once you do that, right here you're gonna select your payment method, so you can do credit or debit card, mobile payment, or I can pick any of these. So for example I'll go with PayPal. Now here you need to consent to this purchase being immediately added to your account, so go and tick that box right there and then go and pay for it. And then once you pay for it, you will have a download button where you can simply go and download this on your PC. So of course you will need to first buy it, so go to rockstargames.com and find GTA San Andreas, go and click on buy now and then just go and buy it. Now for this price you will get 3 of the GTA games. You will get Grand Theft Auto 3, you will get Grand Theft Auto Vice City and San Andreas, so you will get all of that included for this price. So now you know how to download GTA San Andreas on PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.